Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a location tracker tag with Google Find Hub in 2026. Now, first of all, before you even begin, you need to make sure that your Android phone is signed into your Google account, and you need to also make sure that your Bluetooth, the location services, and the Find Hub are also enabled. Afterwards, you need to ensure that your tracker tag is also compatible with Google's Find Hub network. Now, once you have all of these things enabled, you need to simply remove any of the battery tab or protective film from the tracker if it's brand new. Now, most of the tracker tags automatically enter into the pairing mode when it is powered on for the very first time. But if it doesn't, you can just simply press and hold this particular power button on top of your tag, and then you just have to wait for the indicator light to blink, and when it blinks it simply means that the tag is in the pairing mode. Now you just have to simply open your Android phone, and then you just have to basically look for the notifications that you are going to get on the top. So once you get the notification, you just have to simply tap on that. Then it is going to show you the name of the tag. Then you just have to simply tap on the option of connect. Afterwards, you just have to agree to the terms and conditions and then click on the option of open. So that's how basically you will be able to add your location tracker tag with Google Find Hub. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.